So designed by your website, your company page by LinkedIn. So how can easy access by your admin access to another user? Suppose I'm a boss of the company. I create a company page. I can give access to my employees or my friends. We are team built by one company page. I have to post by every member. So I can't share my login or password, LinkedIn. I'm not shared by my LinkedIn login and password. So that is mean by what are the page you design, you can access the n number of users. N number of users. But the access will be option is called go to company page on LinkedIn. So in a company page LinkedIn, the option is called in this membership, view as admin, go for admin tool, that is called page admin here. When you go to the any page admin, is a compulsory required for is in my connections are required. Is in my friend list compulsory required. So I'll give to this profile access. What the profile name? Go to this view profile. They'll find out here. Why I'm not find out? Is all profile is there, but not in my connection list. So coming to the comparison, Facebook and LinkedIn. Facebook is called is not in your friend list also will be connect. Not in your friend list also will be connect. But LinkedIn, if you give access to n number of users, compulsory is in your friend is compulsory required on your connection. Connection nothing but your LinkedIn friend. With you have a friend, we not give access to your LinkedIn page. You cannot give access to multiple user. Only for your connected friends we can give access. This is the difference for Facebook and LinkedIn. Facebook is not in your friend list, you can give access. But LinkedIn compulsory in your friend list is compulsory. Go to your profile, search his name. Select here. I'm sending request. Click for more. Option is called connect. Any connection time, write some information. Accept my request. I'm used only for small words. Accept my request. You can write how many characters up to 300. Send invitation. The person received by invitation by where? My network option. Vacancy getting for request, my network option. Any people sending request and connect, write the some characters. I'm into same profile, I'm like your profile. Please accept my connection. This is minimum common sense. Sender now is not right for like the as a Facebook is a professional connection. And you into Java, you are accepting this term. Why you interesting? I'm into looking for your kind of. I'm liking your videos. Please connect my profile. This kind of thing, you can expose yourself and you can chat them to the particular person. So I'll got by network here. I'm looking for accept. What are the message you receive by here? Everything. Accept my request. Compulsory send some invitation to when of people sending for request. This compulsory you maintain the forward balance. After this one, I'm into my friend list. Added, select. How many requests? Save changes. Here, all kind of option we can give by here. So what is that you can need by access for all options? Right now in my page, how many admins are there? We have 2 admin. So direct we can go to this profile. Go to page. Click here. So in this one, select your refresh. How to open your page? Go to your profile. series. Previous I don't have any access. After I connect by the profile, I have the get the access. How much time will take? Very less time. So open it. Get started. So in this also I can post you for in my LinkedIn company page. How many we can access by here? Multiple user access. Only for admin can give access. Editor, advertiser, moderator, nothing will be there. Only access is called page admin. See this one. Page admin. How many admins are there? Two. You can remove the primary admin also. But you are also admin. If anyone not interested, remove the primary admin also. Is it clear? So this is we can access by the add and remove by the admins. I'm a primary admin. I'm add for another admin. The admin can remove by your access also. By both are admins. Not for editor, not for author, not for advertiser. Both are admin access. So clear? In the one LinkedIn page, we can post n number of users, but we can give access only for when it is LinkedIn connection. When it is LinkedIn connections. Everyone will be connect. What the drawbacks are required? I know how to connect, but what the connection will be? What the facing problem? I'm searching my name. I'm into LinkedIn, but I can't show the LinkedIn search results by adding company page access. Why? I'm not into profile access. These are major important things. Major important things. That is mean by instructions are important. What are the priority will be do by LinkedIn access. So that is called, first of all, you build the connections. After we can go for create the company page to access any user and to interact the customers. One LinkedIn page we give all access only for admin will role will give. No editor, no advertiser, no author, any option will be not only for admin access.